So, ito yung house. Okay. Ayan, meron tayong video okay. No? Na merong dalawang wireless mic. May speaker. Our table. Ang internet natin 400 Mbps. May landline. And then, sofa bed ito. Okay. And then, meron tayong mga manual dyan. Microwave, rice cooker, free popcorn. Tapos, meron pa tayong diffuser. Okay. Samgipsel grill. Coffee maker. At yung ating kitchen. Meron tayong infrared na stove. At kumpleto yung ating mga pwedeng paglapitan. Okay? So, ito po yung ating mga gagamitin. Alright. So, ito naman yung ating toilet. Okay? May shower heater, may bidet. Okay? Akit tayo sa taas. Ito naman yung ating ref. Okay. Do not switch off lang po, no? Tapos, mabilis po mag-yelo to. Okay. Ito naman po yung ating, kung 4 packs lang po, 2 bedrooms. Ayan po siya. Meron tayong LED lights dyan. May aircon, may fan. Then, ito yung ating, may hair blower, pakabayo, and then may towels, at isang blanket. Yung other room naman, so, bunk bed. Kasi 2 lang dito, kaya pinold na natin to, pero 3 yan. Ito. And then, ito po yung ating 2 towels, 2 single na blanket. Ayan. Tapos, meron din tayo extension dito at yung ating night lamp. Okay?